In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off SafeSearch on Google Lens. First of all, open Google on your phone. Once you are here, tap on your profile icon or the initial at the upper right-hand corner of your screen. Once you do that, tap on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, look for an option labeled Privacy and Safety. Tap on it, and under the Contents section, you will find an option called SafeSearch. Tap on it, and you will see different options for managing SafeSearch. By default, SafeSearch is usually set to Blur, which means that any explicit content appearing in search results will be blurred. If you want to completely block such content from appearing at all, you can select the Filter option. However, if you want to turn off SafeSearch entirely so that no content is restricted or blurred, tap on the Off option. Once selected, your SafeSearch settings will be turned off and all search results will appear without any filtering. It is important to note that this SafeSearch setting applies to all Google services, including Google Lens. So if you use Google Lens to search for an image, the same SafeSearch settings will be applied, and that's how you can turn off SafeSearch on Google Lens.